Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Ema English Daily. I'm Ema, and I'm so happy you are here today.
Hey Ema, hey everyone. I'm Jack, and today's topic is really useful because people ask this question everywhere. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, exactly. You hear it at school, at work, in interviews, and when meeting new friends. So today we'll show you how to answer in a simple and natural way.
Sounds good. Okay, Ema, tell me about yourself. What should people know first?
Well, my name is Ema. I'm from the United States, and I live in a busy city in a small apartment that I really like because it feels cozy and comfortable. What about you, Jack?
I'm Jack, I'm from Canada, and I live in a quiet small town in a little house with a garden, so life there feels calm and relaxing.
That sounds lovely. And how old are you, Jack?
I'm 28 years old, and you?
I'm 25 years old, and honestly, I'm enjoying this age because life feels exciting and full of possibilities.
I like that answer. So what do you do?
I'm an art student, and I spend a lot of time drawing and painting because I love being creative and expressing my ideas through art.
That's really cool. I'm an English teacher here at Ema English Daily, and I enjoy teaching because helping people learn English makes me happy.
I think we make a great team because you teach English, and I bring creativity and fun to the conversations.
Absolutely. Okay, let's talk about family now, because people often ask about that too. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older brother named Jack, and he's very friendly and supportive, so we get along really well. What about you?
I have one younger sister named Sarah, and she studies music and plays the piano beautifully. So my house is always full of music.
That sounds amazing. Your family seems very creative. What do your parents do?
My mother is a writer, so she loves books and stories, and my father is a doctor who works very hard helping people every day.
That's wonderful. My mother is a teacher for young children, and my father is a chef, so the food at home is always delicious, and everyone loves visiting us.
Now I'm hungry already.
Me too.
And that's how you can talk about yourself in English, in a simple, natural, and confident way.
Okay, we talked about family, so now let's talk about pets, because pets are a big part of life for many people. Do you have a pet, Jack?
Yes, I do. I have a dog named Max, and he's small, brown, very friendly, and always full of energy, so life with him is never boring.
That sounds adorable. I really want to meet Max someday because I love dogs so much.
Maybe one day. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna, and she's black and white, very quiet. And honestly, she spends most of the day sleeping on the sofa.
That sounds exactly like a cat. Dogs run everywhere, but cats just relax and enjoy life.
That's true. And Luna acts like she owns the apartment sometimes.
Okay, now let's talk about favorite things, because this is always the fun part of getting to know someone. What's your favorite food, Emma?
I love pasta because it's warm, comforting, and delicious, especially with creamy sauce and cheese. What about you?
My favorite food is pizza, especially vegetable pizza with tomatoes, onions, and peppers, because it tastes fresh and flavorful.
That sounds really good, but I still think pepperoni pizza is the classic choice.
Fair enough. Now tell me your favorite color.
My favorite color is blue because it reminds me of the sky and the ocean, and it feels peaceful and relaxing.
Nice choice. My favorite color is green because I love nature, trees, gardens, and being outside in fresh air.
Blue sky and green trees sound like a perfect picture together.
Exactly. And speaking of favorites, my favorite animal is definitely dogs because they're loyal, playful, and always happy to see you.
And my favorite animals are cats because they're elegant, calm, and independent, even if they ignore you sometimes.
That's very true. Okay, let's talk about hobbies now, because hobbies tell us a lot about a person. What do you like to do for fun?
I love painting because it helps me relax and express my feelings, and I also enjoy reading adventure books because exciting stories make me feel like I'm traveling to another world.
That sounds wonderful. I enjoy listening to old rock music, and every Saturday I play soccer with my friends because it keeps me active and happy.
You're very energetic. Do you also like movies?
Absolutely. I love comedy movies because laughing always makes the day better.
Same here, but I also love animated movies because they're creative, colorful, and full of imagination.
I agree. Animated movies can be funny, emotional, and beautiful at the same time.
You know, this conversation is actually a perfect example of how to answer, "Tell me about yourself," in real life.
Exactly, because when people talk naturally, they share small details about their life, hobbies, favorites, family, and personality little by little.
And sometimes it's also fun to talk about things we don't like. So, Jack, what's a food you dislike?
I really don't like olives because the taste feels too strong for me, even though many people love them.
That's funny because I actually like olives. For me, the food I dislike is very spicy food because I can't handle too much heat.
A little spicy food is okay for me, but super spicy food makes me sweat immediately. One question. What's an activity you don't like doing?
Let me think. One thing I really don't like is waking up very early in the morning because I always feel sleepy and slow for the first hour.
So you're definitely not a morning person.
Not at all. I love sleeping too much. What about you? What's something you dislike?
I really don't like waiting in long lines because it feels boring and endless, especially when people move very slowly.
Honestly, I don't think anyone enjoys that. Waiting too long can make people tired and impatient.
Exactly. But talking about likes and dislikes is actually a great way to describe yourself because it shows your personality naturally.
That's true. For example, someone can say, "Hi, my name is Ima. I'm an art student. I love cats and pasta, but I hate waking up early."
And someone else can say, "Hello, I'm Jack. I'm an English teacher. I love dogs and pizza, but I don't like olives or waiting in long lines."
Simple, friendly, and easy to understand.
Today, we talked about so many things people can use when answering "Tell me about yourself," like your name, age, hometown, family, pets, hobbies, favorite things, and even dislikes.
But remember, you don't need to talk about everything at once, because real conversations should feel natural and relaxed.
Exactly. Sometimes just saying your name and hobby is enough to start a good conversation.
For example, if you are in an English class, you can say, "Hi, I'm Ima. I'm from the United States, and I'm learning English because I want to travel and meet new people."
And at a party, you can say, "Hey, I'm Jack. I love soccer, music, and movies." And then people will ask more questions.
That's the fun part because one small conversation can turn into a new friendship.
And honestly, "Tell me about yourself" is not a scary question at all. It's just an invitation to share a little about your life and personality.
I love that idea because everyone has something interesting to share.
Today, I learned that you're an art student who loves blue, pasta, painting, and your sleepy cat, Luna.
And I learned that you're a friendly teacher who loves green, pizza, soccer, and your happy dog, Max.
Sounds like we had a pretty successful conversation today.
Definitely. And we hope our listeners learned useful English expressions from this episode.
Remember, everyone, don't try to sound perfect. Just keep your sentences simple, natural, and friendly.
And don't forget to smile when you speak, because a smile makes every conversation warmer and more comfortable.
Very true. Wow, our time went by so quickly today.
That always happens when the conversation is fun.
Before we go, please subscribe to Ema English Daily, like the video, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And now we have a small challenge for you. Go to the comments and write 1 or 2 sentences about yourself in English.
You can write your name, where you're from, your hobbies, favorite food, favorite animal, or anything you want to share.
We would love to read your comments and learn more about you.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone. Keep practicing English every day and never be afraid to speak.
Take care, stay happy, and we'll see you again soon on Ema English Daily.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, Jack. Bye, everyone.